Mending Wall is a thoughtful and symbolic poem by Robert Frost that explores human relationships, boundaries, and traditions. The poem is written in a conversational tone and describes an annual activity where the speaker and his neighbor meet to repair a stone wall that separates their properties. The poem begins with the speaker observing that something in nature does not like walls. The frozen ground during winter causes the stones to shift and fall apart, creating gaps in the wall. Even hunters, while chasing animals, disturb the wall and create openings. This suggests that both natural forces and human actions tend to break barriers rather than maintain them. Despite this, every spring, the speaker and his neighbor come together to rebuild the wall. They walk along the boundary, each on his own side, placing the fallen stones back in position. The work seems unnecessary to the speaker because there is no real need for a wall. His land has apple trees, while his neighbor grows pine trees. There is no danger of animals crossing over or causing harm. The speaker questions the purpose of the wall and playfully challenges the idea of maintaining it. He even suggests that before building a wall, one should ask what is being kept in or out. He tries to make his neighbor think about whether the wall is truly needed, or if it is just a habit followed without reason. However, the neighbor remains firm in his belief. He repeats the traditional saying, "Good fences make good neighbors." This line becomes the central idea of the poem. The neighbor values boundaries and believes they help maintain peace and respect between people. He prefers to follow tradition without questioning it deeply. The speaker, on the other hand, represents curiosity and change. He imagines his neighbor as an old stone savage, suggesting that he is stuck in outdated thinking. The speaker wants to break down unnecessary barriers, both physical and emotional, and encourages open understanding between people. In the end, the poem does not give a clear answer about whether walls are good or bad. Instead, it presents two contrasting viewpoints, one that supports tradition and boundaries, and another that questions them and seeks deeper meaning. Through this simple act of repairing a wall, Frost explores larger themes like human separation, communication, individuality, and the balance between tradition and progress.